Hey guys, so I just got home and I got this package, and as you can imagine, take a wild guess what it is. I got two Samsung Galaxy S9 Pluses. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. I'm very tired. It's almost 11 in the night. Just came back home, as you can see. Let's get my Batman knife. Yeah, baby. Let's jump right into it, because I know everybody is excited for this big boy right here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Nothing in the box, of course. Let's file that to the side. Let's jump into another box. Same nice. Oh, shit. Whatever. Alright, let's see. Beautiful. There you go. Two S9 Pluses. Aren't you guys excited? Let's see. It's a typical Samsung box. As you know, they do the best. Got two colors right here. Coral blue and lilac purple. Got one for my wife and one for myself. So let's see. Let's jump right in there in the see what you can get in the box. Of course, the S9 Plus, the phone, stereo headset, well, USB charger, USB connector, and yeah, quick reference guide, and that's about it. Nice box, huh? Let's jump right into it, into the blue one today. Oh, there you go. That's another seal. Let's break that open. There you go. Let's see. Ooh. What's that? It's S9 Plus. Got a little SIM ejection tool. Little books and stuff, whatever. Don't need that. Smart enough, right? And there you go. Let's file that phone to the side for now. Got that. Of course, T-Mobile, they send you another SIM card, whatever carrier you guys have. So got that USB connector. You can plug in your old phone, transfer all the data from here to the new phone. You know, you're not new to this stuff. I like the black, all black. You know, it doesn't get dirty. And yeah, fast charging, of course. And I'm not gonna open this because I have plenty of those, you know, lying around. You know, black USB charger, of course, headphone jack. Of course, it's from 8kg, which is pretty good though. All right, whatever, it's done. And let's see. You guys think? Let's turn it around for the coral blue. This is just amazing, that coral blue. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below. And I'm pretty excited for getting this stuff. This is a notch above iPhones, iPhone X's, iPhone 8s, whatever. I know you guys are gonna hate me for this, but whatever, you know, that's it's a fact. You know, it's much better than the iPhones, and you can't go wrong with Samsungs. They're the top cell phone, you know, makers in the world, and let's can't go wrong with that. So let's see. That's the blue. Let's jump. You know, typical same thing in the other box. So let's jump right into it. Of course, I gotta get that seal. File that again. Let's see. Again, I'm not gonna go through that again, but just gonna show you that lilac purple for all the ladies out there. If you guys love this, this is the one you have to get right here. Check that out. See how it shines? It's got that amazing feel to it. It feels good in the hand too, you know. Ladies and fellas, you know where I'm going. So yeah, you can't go wrong with that. That fingerprint scanner is just perfect. It fits right here. All right, let's say when you hold, this is a normal holding position. Bomb. And can't go wrong with that. Everybody's talking about this amazing camera. It's got the 2.4 aperture, and it switches between 2.6 or 5, whatever. I'm not good with numbers right now. It's way too late, and you can correct me on that. I'm pretty sure I know that in the morning. It's been a long day, and I'm being out and about. So tell me what you guys think about these coral blue, lilac purple. Which one would you choose? Of course, I went with the blue. A little too girly for me on the lilac purple. They only had like 3 colors: black, blue, and lilac purple. I don't know. So, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'm not gonna get too deep into this right now because I still have to set the phones up and everything. But yeah, that was the unboxing. I was so excited to get these devices today, and can't wait to jump start it tomorrow. So again, lilac purple or coral blue, you choose. That's all for now. Leave me your comments, likes, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.